Welcome back to Dallas and Verticon 25. We're still at Hensoldt. We're now going to talk about another part of their business, which is radars. And I'm delighted to be joined by a very good friend of mine I work with on other projects. Geert, known university as G-Man. G-Man, take us through PrecISR.
PrecISR. PrecISR is a family of AESA radars that we make for helicopters primarily. We have them in different formats because it's a modular concept. The smallest one is introduced in this show. So that's the PrecISR 350, which is different panels that are fixed on the aircraft. We can install up to 4 panels to one computer, forming a 360-degree coverage. So you replace actually with those one of the gimbal radars without any maintainability issues.
Yeah, and gimbals are expensive, they're heavy, and as you say, they need to be maintained.
Yeah.
Driving out cost out of the program.
Yeah. Plus, we're adding a much more software functions than we had traditionally. So a radar like the PrecISR 1000 is primarily for search and rescue, for ISR purposes. These ones also do detect and avoid capabilities. They also do weather radar. So we add on a lot of software functionalities that traditionally are in different radars on the aircraft.
And the detect to avoid functionality, is that like small drones as well as obstructions?
For the moment, it's traffic.
Yeah.
So we focus on let's say non-cooperative traffic.
Right. Okay.
There is of course also an obstacle detection capability.
Yep.
But for the moment, this is primarily developed out of the Eurodrone project.
Right.
So that the first focus is to certified weather radar and detect and avoid for that platform.
So you can have an equivalent level of effectively lookout to a manned platform to enable the drone to
Correct.
fly in
Yes.
non-segregated airspace.
Yes. Yeah. But the unique thing is you don't need 2 separate devices.
Yeah.
You can do it with one sensor, with one antenna. You have both functionalities.
So you're saving space, weight, and power.
Exactly. Yeah.
Brilliant. G-Man, great talking to you.
And you.